Congratulations on the recent purchase of your Crown Verity product. By the end of this video, you'll know how to properly receive, unpack, and move your product to the installation site. Upon arrival, complete an inspection to ensure everything you ordered has arrived. Any sign of damage to the packaging or product should be noted immediately. Please follow the instructions in the owner's manual on how to report damage. A link to the manual can be found in the Welcome to Crown email sent to your inbox. In order to decrease the weight and make moving the product easier, we suggest unpacking the boxes at the drop-off location and then reduce the weight by completing the following steps. First, remove box staples completely. This will help to prevent scratching the product when lifting off the box. Using scissors or wire snips, start removing the plastic wrap and any packing strips that were used to fasten the product to skids. Straps may spring open when cut, so be prepared and do not stand directly behind the straps. Continuously check for any damage throughout this process. Now, remove any snip ties that keep grill components in place during shipping and place those components such as bun racks and grills off to the side. Also, to make it lighter and avoid any unnecessary pressure on hinges, remove the doors and drawers, back panels, grease trays, and dome. When removing the doors, simply pull on the back of the hinge to release. For drawers, deactivate the soft close mechanism by pressing down on the brass latch located near the back of the runner. For back panels, use an Allen key to remove the lower screws, then slide the panel off. You will eventually need to remove the back panels for gas and electrical components, so moving them now makes it lighter to move and easier to connect at the installation site. Removing the dome will also make your grill lighter and easier to relocate. Simply remove the pins, close the dome, and slide to remove. Ensure you are applying even pressure through this process to prevent the dome from scissoring open during removal. Avoid scraping the surface. You can add some painter's tape to the surface, which will decrease any chance of friction during the removal process. Now that you've reduced the weight, moving to the installation site will be lighter and easier. It's important to note that using furniture straps while the doors are still on your appliance can cause damage, so be sure to either remove the doors during this process or avoid using straps. Now, as a two-person team, start moving the components to the intended location and prepare for setup. You are one step closer to enjoying your new Crown Verity product.